Here's how to set up a Vaniman SandVac dust collector and a Vaniman SandStorm 2 microabrasive sandblaster. We encourage you to read the printed instructions included with every product for the most complete setup and maintenance references. Remove the unit and other items from the box. In the box, you'll find the foot pedal remote, the filter bag replacement instructions, the warranty registration card. We encourage you to register your products on our website. This will get you a free 6-month extension on your warranty. The dust collector's instruction printout. Again, please read this and refer back to it if there are any questions. The power cord, a 6-foot white hose with a gray reducer on one end, the SandVac unit. Unpack the accumulator. The accumulator will capture over 90% of all the dust that comes in, so you'll really save a lot on filter bags. In the box, you'll find the accumulator body and bucket, a 3-foot white hose with a gray reducer on one end, a small packet of hardware, the accumulator instructions. Mount the accumulator to the dust collector. See our video for installing the accumulator. The link is in the description. Connect the 3-foot hose with one end at the top of the accumulator and the other end to the port on top of the dust collector. The gray reducer may require some effort the first time, but it will fit. Connect the 6-foot hose to the inlet port on the side of the accumulator. Connect the foot pedal bellows to the remote port on top of the dust collector. Connect the power cord to the dust collector and plug it into an outlet. Test the dust collector by stepping on the foot pedal to start it. Remove the sandblaster from the box, as well as the sample media and packet with instructions, warranty registration, static cling window protector, power supply, and air supply connections. Open the packet with the power supply and plug the cord into the jack on the side of the blaster. Then plug the other end into a standard outlet, or alternately, into the outlet on the SandVac. You'll need to make sure the dust collector is also on. Twist the switch to turn the blaster's LED light on. Apply the static cling window protector. This will keep any ricocheting media or debris from scratching the window and fogging it up over time. It's much cheaper to replace the window protectors than the glass window itself, so we strongly recommend using one. See our video using the wet application method. The link is in the description. Fill your tanks with abrasive media, ensuring that the size of the media matches the size range on the top of the tank lid. Use a fingertip to cover the manifold tube so you don't get any media in it. Do not fill the tank past the fill line. Brush loose any media off the threads of the tank, then put the lid back on. Do not over-tighten the tank lid. Pro tip: the English text of the label on the lid should face directly forward. Connect your air supply. For additional instructions and specifications, see our website. The link is in the description below. Once your air supply is connected and your air supply is on, you should see a pressure reading on the gauge. Connect the 6-foot hose from the accumulator to the port in back of the sandblaster. Again, the gray reducer may require some effort the first time. You are now ready to begin sandblasting. First, start the dust collector's motor before you begin. Step on the foot pedal remote. To begin blasting, step on the blaster's foot pedal. To stop blasting, release the foot pedal. For standard sandblasters, there will be a bleed off as the tank depressurizes each time you release the pedal. On our instant off blaster models, the flow of media will stop immediately when you release the foot pedal and will only depressurize when you turn the blaster's selector to off. If you have any questions, please call Vaniman at 760-723-1498 or email us at service@vaniman.com.